Well, as usual, when I'm drawing my inner trend line, what is really important is the points which I'm going to connect, because that is the one which is going to determine the risk and the reward ratio. So I have to make sure that I draw my trend line connecting the zone of strength and weaknesses, and by this I mean the level which was respected, or the level which the market pounds when it reached, and when the market made a breakout and then it came for the retest after reaching that zone. And you can see that I draw my trend line connecting those levels marked with green rectangles. So I'm gonna end using this level, and as you are seeing, this is a 40 cents account. You see 0.40. So I just ended 1% on volatility 150, and the reason why I took this trade on volatility 151 is because of the margin. You see, with one position I've managed to open I've managed to open one position with a margin of 0.06 cents, which means that with just 0.4 cents I can be able to open more than 4 positions on this small amount. Okay, so that's the reason why I like to raise my account using the volatility 151s. There is less margin. Okay, you can open as many positions as you want, as long as you know the direction, as long as you know the end relief. Okay, so right now I have got volatility 151s, and I am in loss of 12 cents. I'm anticipating it to buy all the way up according to my analysis. Don't worry about the explanation. You see, I'm gonna take more than 4 trades, and I'm sure that by the end of this video you will get the reason why I'm taking the entry, because I'm gonna keep on repeating same thing over and over again. So at the end of the video you realize that once you master the skill, it will be easy for you to keep on making money. Okay, but the first stage of mastering the skill is the one which is a little bit difficult.
A few moments later.
So after holding volatility 150 for about 1 hour, I'm now on $3.17 from a deposit of 40 cents. Okay, you can see there's progress on the account, and let us wait and see how much we're gonna make on this account. So the reason why I took this trade is because of this inner trend line. What I actually did is, there's this first peak which is right here. This is the first peak, and then another peak which is right here, and then another one right here, and then the last one right here. And I connected using this peak which is on the current market price. We can see after all this confirmation, volatility 51 is went all the way up, and right now I am on 295 floating profits. So let us wait and see how much I'm gonna make. Let's wait and see how much I'm gonna make on this account. Okay, let's wait and see how much I'm gonna make. So I took the entry right here, and as soon as I entered, there was no any drawdown. I entered right here, and then it just bought all the way up. Okay, it just bought all the way up. So I will come back with results. Maybe after some minutes. I think let me close. You see, my entry was right here, and as soon as I entered, there was no any drawdown. I entered right here, and it's bought. Okay, this is my history right here, and the account is now on $3.35. All right, 2 days later, I just came across another setup on volatility 151s, and you will see that I'm just gonna do the same process which I did on my previous trade, which raised the account from 40 cents to $3.35. And right now, I want to take it from $3.35 to at least maybe $20. I want you to take a look on how I draw my trend line. You can see that it's just same concepts. So what I'm doing right now is I'm keeping on repeating same thing, okay? I keep on repeating same thing. So I just ended 1 point with 0.05 cents. And the way I drew my trend line and the way I'm seeing this setup, it is going to buy hard, okay? It is going to buy hard. I just want to view the market from all angles using the line graph. You know, the line graph gives an early entry comparing to the candlestick graph, okay? So now according to the B.O.R, is going to buy hard. So let's give market time to do its thing.
A few moments later.
What's good, people? So the reason why I delayed uploading a video this week is because of the setup been appearing here and there. You know, this B.O.R strategy. You have to be very patient when you are looking for setups because they might not appear as frequent as all might think. Okay, so I wanna do a quick explanation on how I managed to take an entry on this $3.35 account using the B.O.R. Okay, so as we are seeing, this is the setup and this is where my entry is. Okay, I took the end right here and there was a small drawdown, and as soon as the market hit this area where people put tight stop loss, it then made a small breakout, and after that it came going all the way up. Okay, and right now it's on level 2883. Okay, so the reason why I took this buy is because of this first thing. All right, let me start here. Is because of this first peak, which is first peak of the support, and then as soon as the market approached this level, I knew that it's going to buy, but I have to look for the confirmation so that I will trade without emotions. Okay, you know, when you are trading knowing that all the confirmation have been confirmed, you will not doubt your setup. Okay, so I have to convince myself that that setup is good and that setup is going to go in my direction. Okay, so after seeing this, I had to draw my inner trend line. This was the first peak, and then this was the second peak. But yeah, there's a trick on why I connected this area as the second peak or as the intersection going through this area. So the first thing is this rejection candlestick, which is right here. You see the market made the rejection right here, creating this candlestick with long tail, and this was a symbol that this area might have something to do with price rejection. Okay, and right here there was also a rejection. Price made a bounce right here, so I knew that this is the area for me to connect the trend line using the past history. Okay, and then again this and again there was this candlestick of rejection, which here on the support level. You see, as soon as the market reached this level of the trend line, it started creating this candlestick with long tail, and this is a rejection candlestick. Okay, it simply tells that a market reached a certain level and is failing to keep on breaking below, so you have to take advantage of that zone. Okay, so I ended my buy right here, and after I ended, of course the market went against me, but this was a small retracement, probably something like $1.50, and then after reaching this level of the previous support, it then bounced and started going all the way up. Okay, so this was my simple analysis, and the time frame which I was specializing with is 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. In fact, that's the time frame which I usually use when I'm using the B.O.R strategy. I use the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. I rarely use the smaller time frame. Okay, I rarely use the smaller time frame. And after all this, you see the market went all the way up. Right now I am in floating profit of $15, and the equity is now on $18. Okay, you see there's progress. So the biggest skill is to have patience, because my first trade from 40 cents to $3.35, I took it on Thursday, and from Thursday till yesterday, that's when I took this volatility 150. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I took the buy on volatility 51 Saturday. So I've been waiting for 2 days. So these 2 days I was looking for a setup, okay? And then on Saturday, that's when I took volatility 150. And right now the account is on $18. I'm sure that maybe today I'll be able to double or to triple, but what I'm focusing on is to find a setup which can make me hold for long term, because I don't want to scalp. Okay, I don't want to scalp. I would just want to find a setup which can give me, let's say from this $18 account, which can give me something like maybe $70 or $80, and then look for another one rather than getting in a trade and make it $20 and then I move out. No, I don't wanna trade like that. I just want one setup which can give me more, which can give me more money. Of which those kind of setups don't usually appears more frequently on the chart. Okay, so the biggest skill that you can need is patience. Okay, being able to wait for the right setup, and that's why you see everyone knows how to trade and everyone knows how to analyze. But what people don't know is, after seeing the setup, is that setup worth taking risk? Because if I was someone, I could have taken more than 10 or 15 setup. But there are some setup which you can say that these are not worth taking risk, of which it might have all the confirmation, but sometimes the risk to reward ratio might not be perfect or might not align with my account size. Okay, so you have to wait. That's why I recommend people to have patience when you are trading. Okay, that's why I recommend people to have patience when you are trading. So right now I'm gonna close on $19. I'm gonna close on $19. Then I look for another setup. So you see, I just go through the same process every day. Same process every day. Like right here, in short, I can say there was a double bottom, and then after the double bottom, I draw my trend line connecting the line of strength and weaknesses. And right now, I am in profit. You see, it's simple. It's very simple. Let me close on $19. Done. $19. On the next day, I'm gonna take it from right here, and there's a perfect setup right there, and this is just the same analysis, same procedure, same concept. You see, I draw my inner trend line connecting the major points of strength and weaknesses, and there is a double top, and there's a rejection candlestick, which is a perfect setup. And as you're seeing, I'm anticipating volatility to 51 is to go all the way down, so I don't have time to waste right now. After all the confirmation confirmed, I'm gonna enter sell. And this is one position, and it seems like this position is too volatile, so let me look for another. Let me end another position with smaller slots. Let me end another position, a smaller slot, and right now it seems like 0.005 is the smallest lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna enter with this 0.05, and I'm gonna put two position. Because I want to make a reasonable profit. So let me add another one. Now I've got two with margin of $2.86. Let's hope it is going to go according to the way I've analyzed. I'm anticipating it to go all the way down, or the confirmation confirmed, and there's no reason to wait.
A few moments later.
Well, what differentiates people who makes money and people who don't make money is patience. You see, if I was someone, I could have closed this trade with maybe $40 or maybe $30, but I decided to hold, to keep on holding, and right now you see I am in floating profits of 80 something dollars, and according to my line graph, you see, as soon as the market touches the trend line, that's when it went all the way down, and you can check the entry. The entry is perfect and it's sniper. Okay, I talked about this trend line using the line graph on my previous video. The line graph is the pace when you're about to take an entry with zero drawdown, especially if you're using a small account. Right now, you can see the account is now on $104, which is good. Okay, there's progress. I started this account on 0.40 cents, and right now it's now on $102, and it's something which is good. There's progress, so I'm gonna close right here. No need to be greedy. I'm gonna close, I think, all the position. Then I will take it from here. I'm gonna take it from here, and the account is now on $102, which is not bad. Okay, and you can check out my history. I ended right there. There was no any drawdown. As soon as I entered, it went all the way down. You can check from those arrows on the screen. Same process, same concept, same analysis. Watch me doing magic again on volatility 10 as usual. First thing is to draw my inner trend line connecting the zone of strength and weaknesses. If the market managed to respect the past history, what can stop it to respect the current market price and the current peaks? Okay, so I connected my inner trend line, and then at the same time I marked the zone of rejection, and there's a possibility that volatility is gonna fail to break below that level because of the rejection area and because of the rejection candlestick with long tail. I always preach about this. If you see a rejection on a support, anticipate a buy, and if you see a rejection on a resistance, anticipate a sell. And of course, don't forget to apply other concepts for further confirmation. And trust me, after that, don't hesitate to put as many positions as you can. Right here, I'm gonna put maybe 8%. Then I left the rest to
A few moments later.
It's easy like ABCD. You see, same concepts, same analysis, same everything is same. Okay, I keep on doing same thing over and over again. I don't add anything new. You see, I don't add anything new. And right now I am in floating profit of 104. Tell me any strategy which can give you $243 from a deposit of 0.40 cents. Long story short, the goal is to make money. Let me close on 243 cents. So right now I'm tempted to keep on trading this account because I want money. I want real money. So I ended my buy right there. You see, I want you to check the entry. There was no any drawdown. As soon as the price reaches the trend line, that's when it bounced and that's when it started buying. Well, my heart is just telling me to stop trading, but I have no choice because I want money. There's another setup on volatility 100. Same concept, same analysis, same strategy, but different graph. This is volatility 100, and right now I just entered 1-2 about 7%, and I see that it is potential to keep on buying, so I just ended another percent. Right now they are 10. They are 10%, and we all know that volatility 100 is a little bit volatile for account which is 243. So if the market goes against me, there's a possibility that I'm gonna blow the whole account. And I trust my strategy. This is B.O.R, and it's really disappoint. It's never disappoint. So as usual, first thing when I'm analyzing, I draw my inner trend line connecting the peaks of strength and weaknesses, and then after that I mark the zone of rejection, and right there's reversal pattern, which is the double bottom, and we all know that what really happened if there is a double bottom, the market usually buys, and according to this setup, I'm anticipating the market to go all the way up. You see, there's a rejection candlestick on them, on the supports, or the candlesticks which have been formed. They were failing to break below, so I'm gonna use that as an opportunity to make money. See, I'm gonna use that as an opportunity to make money. So right now I just drew my inner trend line perfectly, connecting the zone of strength and weaknesses. So let's give the market time. Okay, let's give the market time. After analyzing, after entering the trade, what's left is to let the market do its thing. Okay, has to let the market do its thing. So right now there's loss of $4 right now, $6, but I'm not gonna panic this loss. I know what I'm doing. I know the strategy don't disappoint. I know the setup really disappoint. And let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see how the market is going to react to the way I've analyzed using the one and only most respected strategy, which is bullish open rejection or bearish open rejection. If I've managed to make 243 from 40 cents, what can stop me to make maybe 600 or 700 from $243? Okay, so right now I'm gonna leave the rest to the market, then I'll come back and check later if I make money or if the market makes money from me. It's vice versa, but at the end of the day, between me and the market, one is gonna make money. One is gonna make money. So it's consolidating. It's consolidating. See, same analysis, same strategy, same concept.
A few
different
moments
graphs.
later.
Well, I made a mistake on volatility 100. The setup is correct, but the entry is now a little bit late. I should have wait for the market to make a retracement and then I enter. But anyways, it is what it is. Let me add more position. Let me add more position. If I die, get rich or die trying. Okay, get rich or die trying. I'm gonna go all in. You see, right now I've used margin of $30, of which the pair is already volatile. If the market goes against me, I'm gonna go back to zero.
A few moments later.